Welcome to Spring LIB.
Is our 30, 36, 27, 20, 16, 24, 19, 25, 20, and 34 with corresponding outputs of 55, 60, 42, 40, 37, 26, 39, 43, 40, and 51. We can zoom fit to see the data. And so for part A, you want to identify the predictor and the response variables. The predictor would be the x's, which is the disposable income in thousands of dollars. That's the predictor variable, and the response would be the food expenditure in hundreds. Part B, determine the correlation coefficient and the coefficient of determination and comment on them. With Desmos, this is found by y. One is approximately, you might use different variables, but maybe like b0 plus b1 times x1. I have to use x1 and y1 for the data that's in the table labeled x1 and y1. So the correlation coefficient is the 0.7558, which is positive, meaning as x increases, the relationship is that y increases. As the disposable income increases, the food expenditure increases. This is a moderately strong positive correlation. 1 is perfectly positive, so it's moderately strong. The coefficient of determination is the r-squared value, 0.5713. And what this means is that 57% of the variability in the data can be attributed by this model. Essentially, 43% cannot. The equation is y equals 15.5 plus 1.107x. You can round accordingly, but the y-intercept is 15.507, and the slope is 1.107. You can see the graph and the points. For part D, describe the apparent relationship between disposable income and food expenditure. The apparent relationship, again, is, as mentioned, as the disposable income increases, so does the food expenditure. The slope would mean that for every $1,100 increase, well, we should say it this way, actually, for every 1 unit increase in x, the y increases by 1.107. So the slope in terms of disposable income and annual food expenditure would be for every $1,000 of increase in disposable income would denote a 1.107, or if this is in hundreds, a $110 or $111 increase, taka, 111 increase in food expenditure. To predict the food expenditure with 25,000, don't know what happened to this. why they're not graphing suddenly. Let me write this down. I'm going to refresh quickly. So the linear equation is about 15.507 plus 1.107x. And a disposable income of 25,000 would be x equals 25, and so that would be predicted at 43.18.